ना द वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्वर्सेशन आज होने वाली है। मेरे लिए तो काफ़ी लर्निंग हो जाती है, लेकिन मुझे ये लगता है कि आप लोग के लिए भी काफ़ी लर्निंग है और काफ़ी यूटिलाइजेबल है। और तभी एक बार फिर से फर्स्ट जनरेशन सेल्फ मेड Aguero Rajesh Athaide सर जॉइनिंग अस वंस अगेन फॉर हिज मेनी डिफरेंट बिजनेसेस। आज का लेकिन जो बिजनेस है ना, आई हैव अ ह्यूज reservoir ऑफ आइडियाज दैट आई वांट टू टेक इन, बिकॉज मुझे ये लग रहा है कि ये बहुत सारे लोग नहीं जानते, क्योंकि आप सबकी लाइफ का ये बहुत बड़ा हिस्सा है। जहां आप रहते हैं, जहां आप जाते हैं, ये है, लेकिन ये आपको दिखता नहीं है। सो वंस अगेन सर, वेलकम and another new business, and this time we're going to come to the technicalities of it. But you also got a gentleman with you who's for 25 years in the same business, Sunil Uplab. Thank you so much sir for joining us.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
लेकिन Agnello sir, ये water storage, how did you come into wanting to be part of this now?
ओह, मेरे तो जीवन के इमोशंस कनेक्टेड है इस टॉपिक से, बिकॉज वाटर स्टोरेज मेरे से ज्यादा बेहतर कौन जानेगा।
जी।
मेरे बचपन में जो घर में मैं रहता था, वहां पर घर में नल नहीं था, तो पानी की अहमियत के ऊपर मैं किताब लिख सकता हूँ। आई कैन राइट अ बुक ऑन द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ वाटर स्टोरेज। सो 16 घरों के बीच में एक नल था। द चॉल इन विच आई यूज्ड टू लिव हैड 16 tenements and only one tap. So we had to cross 8 houses, fill the water in large vessels, which in local lingo is called as handa,
Okay.
and then come and store it in the tank or the drum that we are outside our house, so that then we could have access to water the whole day.
Wow.
So water storage is something that I've been seeing from the time I became sensible in life. So water storage holds a lot of importance, and then I came across a very dear friend Sunil Uplap, and the way he operates, the way his work ethics are, the way he is having knowledge about, he's a mechanical engineer, so the knowledge of engineering that he has and how he has utilized this knowledge to create business model for compounding the water storage problem solution in this country is what attracted me. And I told him that let's get together and let's take this big, let us scale it up. And that's how we came together.
That's how actually you work, scaling up. But Sunil sir, I want to speak to you because Mumbai ऐसी शहर में always ये thought हो जाता है, like समंदर है.
Right.
So we should never have any water problems. We
Right.
should never have any water storage problems also, क्योंकि ये तो obvious होना चाहिए ना, हम लोग eventually ये harvesting तो कर ही पाएंगे. But is that the real case or no?
It is definitely not the real case. Actually, we are blessed with huge amount of rainfall.
जी.
Almost 2,500 millimeters of rain we get every year. Unfortunately for us, 90% of that just washes away into the sea every season. And come February, March, हम लोगों को वापस, we have water cuts, we have, water.
बिल्कुल हम लोग ये देखते हैं, बारिश इतनी हो रही है, but these lakes are less, the reservoir is less, always यही होता है.
March, April में, and then to the extent that just within 60 kilometers from Mumbai, we have water stressed months where people in not just the city have the problem, but also in the rural areas around Mumbai have that problem.
Yes.
They just within 60 kilometers, matlab, just 1 hour out of Mumbai, and you have problems where they have to be provided water with tankers in the months of April, May, June, जब तक next बारिश आती नहीं है तब तक.
तो
That's
ये पार्टनरशिप कैसे हुई आपकी और सर की?
So, by the way, we belong to a community called Corporate Connections, and I was right from the day I met him, I was very impressed with his
Clarity.
absolutely, and the thorough gentleman that he is, it reflects all in all the businesses that he does. So I thought, I share the same kind of vision. So.
And my objective is simple, Salih. If you get a dependable partner who's a master of his domain knowledge, and that domain knowledge can add to the good of the society, then collectively we can go together and amplify the scalability of the growth, so that the services can reach to more number of people. And water is it's a very important subject in this country.
Correct.
And across the world.
Absolutely.
India has 16% population of the world and only 4% of freshwater resources in the world. Only 4%. So now, managing that 16% population with the 4% of water which is available, will need a lot of storage facilities where this kind of a business model comes into play and has got importance. And it's a 3-tier system. The government, then the enterprises and entrepreneurs, and then the civilians and the citizens. it is a joint responsibility. It cannot be dependent only on the government to do it. We all have to take our own responsibilities and plan our life better around water storage solutions. And we as an organization are there to support that thought on implementing the water storage requirements that people have and tap water from getting it wasted. So water harvesting and all those functionalities of the government and compliance part has already been implemented.
Right.
But apart from the compliance part and the enforcement part, there has to be an awareness part that the storage facility which needs to be created just once can be leveraged for the rest of your life. The tanks that we make have a long life, 50, 60, 70, 80 years of life.
Fantastic.
So 2 to 3 generations can leverage out of one investment done at the right time in life.
Do you sometimes think that this was a little more daunting than your other projects? Because आपके बाकी कुछ जो businesses हैं वो सीमित है. आपके restaurants हो गए, आपके athleisure हो गए, आपके बहुत सारे ऐसे businesses हैं that can multiply fast. इसमें capital expenditure ज़्यादा है, इसमें काफी research है, इसमें awareness थोड़ी कम है. ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा मुश्किल.
This is a monumental product, just like real estate. जैसे एक रियल एस्टेट में एक प्रोजेक्ट अगर आप बनाते हो तो 100, 150, 200, 250, 300 करोड़ का बनता है एवरेज. उसी तरीके से एक वाटर टैंक आपकी 10 करोड़, 12 करोड़, 15 करोड़, 20 करोड़ तक भी जा सकते हैं अगर आपको 2 करोड़ लीटर की टाकी बनानी है तो. बट द क्वालिटी एंड द काइंड ऑफ गुड दैट हैपेंस, अगर मैं एक बिल्डिंग बनाता हूँ तो उसमें समझो 60, 70, 80, 100 फ्लैट्स रहेंगे.
करेक्ट.
लेकिन एक वाटर टैंक अगर मैं लगाता हूँ तो लगभग 2-5 हजार लोगों को हम सपोर्ट सर्विसेज दे सकते हैं. सो दिस इज अ मॉन्यूमेंटल प्रोडक्ट. दिस इज अ product which is needed by the society at all points of time. So this is a very soul satisfying business model. Now the objective is simple. How many water tanks can we install in the country so that people can be facilitated by potable good quality water at all times?
Correct.
So once water storage comes in place, then distribution is not very complicated. It's not very difficult. And that the government does and people do it on their own as well. So we are a part of the ecosystem of a lot of industries and a lot of EPC contractors need us. The best part about the water tanks that we manufacture. So these are not brick and mortar water tanks which is built by cement and bricks and sand. These are metal water tanks which are constructed or manufactured in the factory and assembled at the site. They are environment friendly. They are having lesser impact on the environment compared to the conventional tanks that we are used to. It pollutes the it pollutes less compared to the conventional method of having water storage facilities. So a lot of difference, and the mobility is a very interesting part.
Yeah, like he said, it's manufactured in your factory
And assemble anywhere.
and assembled anywhere.
Yes. So India is fast developing on the infrastructure front. The highest quantum of infrastructure on planet Earth being constructed today is India. The budget of the central government for the next 5 years is 100 lakh crores. 1 lakh,
1 lakh crores.
100 lakh crores. 100 lakh crores for the next 5 years for infrastructure, in which water would be at least to the tune of 10%. At least. So it's your roads, your bridges, XYZ. With that kind of a budget, just imagine what kind of infrastructure would be required. But water storage is not required everywhere. When infrastructure is being built, you need water solutions along the way of infrastructure development for a temporary period of time. We are a great solution for the contractors. Great solution because we are transportable.
Correct.
So you finish the project in one area. It might be a jungle area through which you're passing a highway or a pipeline. So we construct water storage tank at that one place. After that job is done, if you want to move that tank to a couple of kilometers ahead, we can comfortably do that. Then you just need to have the reinstallation cost. So again, it is environmental friendly. If you build a brick and mortar tank, then it is left there or it gets demolished or something happens to that. But here, that is not the case. You can use that same investment
Just take it.
repeatedly.
This is incredible actually. You find a gap in the market और उसके बाद आप समझ लेते हो how you need to adapt accordingly. The old system was always there, but how do you adapt accordingly? And adaptability brings me to this. SDG 6 Technologies. ये इतना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड नाम क्यों है सर आपकी इस कंपनी का?
इसका जवाब सुनील देंगे और उसके बाद मैं जोड़ दूंगा उसके लिए.
क्यों ऐसे इतना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड? It's like a sci-fi film.
Well, SDG stands for Sustainable Development Goals, which have been set up by the United Nations for all their member countries. And they have set up targets for their member countries to be achieved by 2030. and they have set up 17 such targets. So SDG 6 is the sixth, such goal, which is related to water and sanitation.
Oh, so
And we were fortunate. We were fortunate to get the name registered. So it's a private limited company. It's available, and that's our name. So basically, what happens is, with any technical presentation, when we say our name, we don't have to explain to that other counterpart of what we do.
because this is exactly that. Wow.
This is exactly that, and we could get it. So this is nothing but smart thinking, and we got it, and it's done.
And it's global.
And it's
It's
global.
not just, in the
It's a word which is understood by the whole world, irrespective of the language.
Fantastic. But that's the way it should be. It should be to the point and straight. Now let's talk about the larger perspective of things. Buildings, people that are watching right now. So from the technical terms, you talked about how ये portable है, ये जहाँ पे भी ले जा सकते हैं. But what is the size wise and what is the kind of, now the costing you said can be in the 10 to 12 crore bracket also. But
The big ones,
Big
2
ones.
crore liters.
let's talk about housing societies. People that are listening in, वो जानना चाहते हैं कि कैसे इसको आगे ले जा सकते हैं.
For 6 to 10 lakhs, their game change will happen.
Oh.
Just 6 to 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs, that's it. So what has typically happened is housing societies, we are having housing societies which are more than 30, 40, 50 years old.
Correct.
The population then and the population now is different. The population then was 2 people in the family or 3 people in the family. The family has grown. It has
Yes.
become double, triple the size. The water storage facility was constructed 50 years back, 60 years back.
Right.
So because of the relocatable functionality of the tanks that we manufacture in the factory, we can have an additional capacity manufactured and come and install on the terraces of the society.
Oh, okay.
Of course, the structure has to be strengthened and stuff like that, which is not very difficult.
But how
Or
open
it
have
can-
the societies been so far with all these?
So they are not aware about this. There are 2 situations. One is capacity increment, and second is leakage problems. So Sunil has imported a material for these water tanks. It's called the liner. I will want him to explain that further. So with the liners, you don't have to buy the old tank with us. If there are old conventionally made water tanks which has got persistent leakage problems, without touching the tanks, we can come and solve it by installing liners within the water tank.
Nice.
I think he can technically explain that much better.
Yeah, so this specific liner has been developed by our principal company in Australia, with whom we have a joint venture. So the promoter of that company worked with this Japanese company, and we developed a 5-layered liner, which has got a layer of metallocene inside. Now, metallocene is a latest generation polymer which has been manufactured by DuPont of US.
Okay.
They are the
Yes.
biggest in the world as far as polymers go. So the as the name suggests, metallocene is nothing but metal impregnated in plastic.
Wow.
It gives it a huge amount of
Strength is very high.
strength
Yeah.
in terms of scratch resistance, in terms of puncture resistance, in terms of the durability that it brings, and it is inert. It does not allow anything to react to it, nor does it react to anything.
Nice.
And we have got the highest approval for potable applications for this liner, which is ANSI NSF 61, which is American agency which has approved this for potable, for drinking water applications. And the best part is that this has been tested for 50,000 strokes, abrasion strokes. So every 5th batch in the Japanese company where it is manufactured is tested. Every 5th batch. I don't know any other company in the world probably who might be testing
But is
this
this being
stress
tested there?
in Japan. Yes.
Of course. What do you expect? I'm surprised it's not after each batch.
So they test it to see that whatever they are making, the batch changes,
Standard is matched.
it is matched. So that's the quality that we bring to our Indian
It
customers.
is stronger than the bulletproof waste.
Yes.
Wow.
It is stronger than the bulletproof waste.
So the molecular density of metallocene is higher than that of Kevlar, which is used for armored vehicles and bulletproof vests. So
You were
that's-
talking about the awareness part of it. What do you think is lacking and what is required before we go into the franchise model?
Yeah.
How do we improve the awareness? Podcasts like these or
Podcasts like these, conversations, people having water storage problems, they can have conversations with us. We can educate them, give them solutions. Like I said, like in housing societies or in places where there are tanks which were constructed in ancient times,
Right.
if there are leakages over there, the liner that he just explained about, we can just come and install that liner in that tank, and the problem of leakage will be
Done.
solved at least for 50, 60 years. at least.
Wow.
At least for 50-60 years. Now that's a great solution. So these metal tanks that get manufactured in the factory and get assembled on the site, the metal tank gives the strength for the bag inside, which is a liner, to hold the water. So typically the structure of the tank is to hold that liner inside, which is a bag which holds water. So that's how these are constructed. Now that is one technology that we execute in the factory. The other technology is we call them as secure tanks. That doesn't have a liner inside.
Okay.
But the structure of the metal is made in such a way, with adhesives used in such a way that it won't leak for donkey's years, for a couple of decades, right? And for that, we have already got a patented technology invented by us, a very unique paint that we have created, which will be making sure that the quality of the water doesn't change if it is stored in that particular tank. I think Sunil can give more information about the technicalities of that paint
Yes.
and secure tanks.
So over the years, once when we launched the liner tanks, we realized that there was a limitation to the size that we can go to, and the applications that these liner tanks can have. So just to address that demand of the customer and the market, we started working on this technology which we call a secure store and a secure coat. So secure store tanks is our brand name, and secure coat is the technology that we have developed, which actually is a green and totally eco-friendly coating that we have introduced. It is manufactured by us in a very specific process, which the process of coating has also been developed by us, because there was no precedence to this kind of technology earlier.
So you're literally pioneers in all of this.
Oh, yes.
Yes, absolutely. So this coating actually replaces a earlier technology which was around for more than 90 years. There has been no development in the coating for the last 90 years worldwide. So
Why
we are,
not? I mean, nobody looked at it.
people were just happy with what was going on.
Oh.
And that technology was totally eco non-friendly, because it has to be cured at almost 1000 degrees centigrade, and you can imagine the amount of energy that is
So that the water is clean.
so there is a coating which is created, which is called glass fused to steel. So that has been around for more than 90 years. And so when we got into this business, I realized that there was a huge gap there. And the manufacturing process was also not eco-friendly. So this product that we have increases the nobility of the metal
Wow.
to more than one, between silver and gold. So
Wow.
so as you know, these metals are available as is in the earth crust. They don't have to be refined,
Right.
unlike iron ore, which has to be refined to make a metal. So this, once it gets coated on this, it acts at the micro and nano level of the metal, and creates such a surface that it cannot get
corrosion.
access to the external water and environmental conditions to corrode it, because metal is subject to corrosion. The biggest losses that industry and the governments face is because of corrosion. If you've seen, lot of things.
So this just goes to show that sometimes आपको लगता है कि अरे हम नया क्या ही कर लेंगे, 90 years से किसी ने सोचा नहीं, इन्होंने सोच लिया, कर दिया, हो गया.
And thank God किसी ने सोचा नहीं.
वो अलग बात है.
So we made it. So we did
बहुत
it.
सारे लोग जो हैं नॉर्मल ब्रिक्स एंड मॉर्टर वाले बिजनेसेस में फ्रेंचाइजिंग इजी होता है. इसमें आप बोल रहे हो इसमें भी फ्रेंचाइजिंग मॉडल बन सकता है, लोग जुड़ सकते हैं, कैसे?
इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स,
ओके.
क्योंकि उनको टेम्पररी भी सॉल्यूशंस लगते हैं वाटर स्टोरेज के, और परमानेंट सॉल्यूशंस भी लगते हैं वाटर स्टोरेज के. इनफैक्ट उनके कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में वाटर टैंक्स इज अ पार्ट ऑफ दैट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर प्रोजेक्ट ऑल द टाइम.
अच्छा.
अभी समझो फॉर एग्जांपल कुंभ मेला आ रहा है, सो lakhs of people and crores of people will assemble at a place, so you will need water and sanitation.
Absolutely.
We are a fantastic solution to that. So गवर्नमेंट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट देता है कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स को, और कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स यूज करते हैं अलग अलग लोगों के सर्विसेज टू एग्जीक्यूट दैट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. सो फॉर द वाटर स्टोरेज प्रोविजन वी आर द बेस्ट ऑप्शन फॉर देम. So contractors, then pre-engineered building contractors, for them we are a permanent fixture. And the best part is it is a power team. उनके clients और हमारे clients same है.
Correct.
वो जिनके लिए इंडस्ट्री बना रहे हैं वो इंडस्ट्री को जो पानी लगेगा उसका स्टोरेज हम बना के दे सकते हैं. सो हमारे कस्टमर्स को हम उनको दे सकते हैं इफ दे वांट टू सेट अप इंडस्ट्रीज, और उनके इंडस्ट्रीज के कस्टमर्स को हम वाटर टैंक सॉल्यूशंस दे सकते हैं. सो वी कैन हैव दिस कोलैबोरेशंस विद दिस काइंड ऑफ
And the kind of support that we provide is for everything.
कंप्लीट वाटर से रिलेटेड सारा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का जिम्मेदारी हम लोग ले लेंगे. So they get the advantage of having their margins over our activity also, which we have no problems with.
Right.
But we can become a part of their power team. So these contractors, this is a natural partnership for us. Apart from water storage for use, we also specialize in manufacturing fire protected, fire approved water tanks. That's a different animal altogether. And those are called as FM approved tanks. We have
Fire approved water tanks.
yeah.
बाजा भी टैंकर में फायर वाली.
Yes, because these are water tanks for hazards related to fire. In case of a fire, these kind of tanks will not get impacted by that fire to a great extent, and the water stored in the tanks will be used to douse the fire. So there are norms. Every construction needs to adhere to fire norms.
Correct.
And in the first element of that fire norms is water storage in case of a calamity. So we are one of the best factories in the country. There are hardly a couple of factories in the country. We are one of the best amongst them to manufacture FM approved water storage tanks as well. I think he will be able to.
There's so many firsts that are here.
Oh, yes.
I mean, it almost looks like.
I'm sure a lot of audience will be hearing this for the first time.
वो तो 100%, but मैं कह रहा हूँ आपकी इंडस्ट्री में भी.
Yes.
आप लोग यूसेन बोर्ड से तो कहीं आगे हैं. Yes, the technicality.
So FM is a factory mutual organization which specializes in approving all those equipments that are used in any infrastructure which can be affected by fire. And उसके ऊपर it all depends on what the insurance premiums and all will be, in case of a calamity of fire. So हमारे यहाँ पर जो भी sprinklers दिखते हैं here, for example in this building also.
Right.
So as per the fire norms set by the authorities, these sprinklers have to work for at least 2 hours in case of a fire.
अच्छा.
Okay, very few people know about this.
I'm sure. I know fire drills happen at the building once in a while, and I don't mean once a year. After many years.
So इसमें for the pump to pump water for 2 hours, you have to have the storage capacity. And what better than our tank? And
So actually the scope is unlimited.
absolutely.
It's a part of necessity.
Yeah.
It's a part of necessity, and these have to be there in the right proportion. ऐसा नहीं हो कि पानी की टाकी की साइज ऐसी रहे कि स्प्रिंकलर्स का पानी 20 मिनट में खत्म हो गया, जबकि वो 2 घंटा चलना चाहिए. 2 घंटा चलना चाहिए तो मिनिमम 3 घंटे का स्टोरेज होना चाहिए. अच्छा, today because of IoT, we are also having collaborations with tech companies. Because of IoT, it will be made sure that tank के अंदर पानी होगा. So you don't have to depend on human intelligence, which might lapse. नहीं तो क्या होगा कि आपके पास वाटर की टाकी है लेकिन उसमें पानी नहीं है और किसी को मालूम ही नहीं है.
You remember?
और एक फायर हैजार्ड हो गया है and there is no water coming out of the
Which is
sprinkler.
what happens most of the time.
Which is what happens most of the time. So there is a very important building in Maharashtra where fire took place. I don't want to name it so that because it is a matter of shame कि जब वहां आग लगी, and it is the most important building of the state.
Yes.
जब वहां आग लगी तो फायर टैंक में पानी नहीं था. सो 2-5 हजार रुपए का एक ऐसा टेक्नोलॉजी सोल्यूशन मिलता है आज की तारीख में जिसको हम IoT कहते हैं, इंटरनेट ऑफ थिंग्स. If you install that equipment, it will make sure that all times there is water in the tank, and if that water is not there or
Below a certain level.
it will get intimated to multiple number of people. Okay, so that then you are aware कि वो टाकी में पानी होना जरूरी है. So these kind of functionalities. So now we are into the modern systems adaptation to the modern technology also. So water storage is a factory made product. We combine it with the latest technology and give a solution to the people, to the masses, so that public life can get protected, and that is critically important. हर इंसान को लगता है वो कभी मरने नहीं वाला है जब तक वो मरता नहीं. उसी तरीके से सब लोग को लगता है मेरे पास तो आग लगी नहीं सकती है जब तक वो लगती नहीं. तो जब वो लगेगी,
social
you need to
importance of
have
this
is very
company
important.
is very large. Actually.
Yeah, it's very
Yeah.
absolutely important.
Addressing a basic social need.
Absolutely.
People don't realize that, but then yes, that is
They
the
sort about realize they didn't know it.
yes.
So if you ask what is an impact business, this is an impact business.
Right.
This is an impact which lasts forever, and this is an impact which serves every single minute that you live. अगर आपने पानी की टाकी लगाई है उसमें से पानी तो कंटिन्यूसली आप कंज्यूम कर ही रहे हो.
कई बार गंदा भी हो जाता है, एक्सटिंग हो जाता है. You want to basically
Absolutely. So there are so many solutions which need to get implemented, and this is a step towards that. So we are also specializing in sanitation solutions also. So we are going to be doing a lot of innovations as far as anything related to water is concerned.
Wow. I think this is an eye opener for all of us. This is an eye opener for state governments. This is an eye opener for building authorities. Eye opener for everybody कि ये सारी चीजें अवेलेबल है. और मैं आई ओपनर इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि कुछ चीजें ऐसी हुई हैं जो 100 साल से नहीं की गई है, तो उनके लिए भी आई ओपनर था. हमारे लिए तो है ही, बट इंडस्ट्री फोक्स के लिए भी आई ओपनर है. What's a message you'd like to give out, as we wind up, this entire incredible discussion?
So the message given out is please pre-calculate and recalculate your water storage systems. Please check the hygiene. Please check the durability of what has been there. Please check whether you want some capacity expansion or redoing of a leakage problem. We can be there to support you, to help you. We are looking out for people who can help us to construct them on the site. Contractors who are structural contractors, they can be our associates. We can work together. We are looking at EPC contractors. We are looking at large organizations where we can do a audit of the water storage systems that they have, so that we can add value to whatever they are using. We can do an audit and tell them that what additional capacity do they need and how we can support them in that functionality. We want to connect with people for whom the water storage needs to get relocated as per the work that they implement or execute, especially contracting organizations across the country. We want to communicate with large corporates and organizations where water management by itself is a task. So we can help them. Also here, we can help them in calculating that. We want to reach out to architects who can look at our water tanks, our fire-approved water tanks.
When they're building the building.
When they're building the building. So we are cost effective. We are at least 25 to 40% cheaper than the conventional method of constructing a water storage tank. So that is also a very interesting aspect. And we are not heavy. So water tanks are generally installed at heights in the buildings. And government has norms on where the water storage provision should be. Now, since we are light metal based activity, the weight of the tank by itself is very less compared to a conventional brick and mortar tank. So from that aspect also, we are the right fitment to real estate industry as well. So every builder can accommodate us in their plans of executing a project. We can become an underground tank, we can become an overhead tank, we can become a mid-air tank, because fire tanks are not installed on the terraces only, they are also at mid-level. So all these places we can be a very good fitment and the best fitment. I would also like to ask Sunil to share one historical subject that we did for the Maharashtra government for the water treatment plant in Bhandup, and where we saved almost 1,000 to 1,200 crores of the state government of Maharashtra, which is an advantage to every citizen of Maharashtra.
Yeah.
So that was a project that was done with a South Korean technology, and I would like to ask Sunil to throw light on that project, which we proudly executed.
Yes. So we got into sewage treatment because water storage is the central for any such activity which is related to management of water. So sewage treatment is one of those important things. So as you probably may be knowing that Mumbai did not have proper sewage treatment for decades. Most of it was being flushed out into the sea, untreated also. But of course, the government did take action, and after about 15-18 years, they could finalize on 7 projects within the city of Mumbai for treating about 2,646 million liters of sewage that the citizens produce every day in the city. Okay, that's how much we produce every day in Mumbai. So one of those projects was in Bhandup, and this had a capacity of 215 million liters per day. So the municipal corporation had an estimate of close to 2,700 crores. And the technology that we had actually helped them to save more than 50% of that investment.
Wow.
So we became, we made headlines in national newspapers that day because this entire project was being supervised by the Supreme Court, since it had taken 15-18 years for this to be implemented.
Wow.
And nobody believed that such a thing existed, where you could
Save so much money and do so much good.
4%,
Yeah.
below what the government had
Possible,
estimated.
I think
And-
2,500 crores was executed for 1,170 crores.
Yes.
A lot of people have lost their jobs, sir. Seriously to you.
Yes. So the Supreme Court actually directed the municipal corporation to go deep into it, see whether it is right, because somebody thought that there was a zero
Of
missing
course.
somewhere.
Or
in
they think
essentially,
They'll think that it's not good enough.
Yes,
मतलब
exactly.
सस्ता माल use किया.
So we took a delegation of very high profile and high level government officials and consultants to South Korea. We showed them the reference project there, and they were just they just could not believe what they saw, because it was like a hospital. The sewage treatment plant that they saw, it was totally underground. Nobody could make out that there is a sewage treatment plant here.
Also, there were many more of these kind of landmark projects.
Absolutely.
Mumbai really needs to. Because another thing with this, from then to now, population increased a lot. I think that number has also increased a lot. Also, amount of sewage that goes out.
So, Salil, one other category that is very important, which is growing in this nation, is the data warehouses and data centers across the country. Data centers need two important elements all the time, 24/7. One is power, and second is water. The water that gets used in data centers is humongous. It is many multiples of many industries put together. Now, the government is also becoming strict with data centers, where they say that you need to have your own origin of water. You cannot take so much water from the government resources. That is for the civilians and the citizens. So, water management for data centers is becoming crucial and critical. And it is a very expensive management process for them.
Right.
Over there also, we can become a brilliant solution for water management and water storage for those data centers. So we can recycle water to another level. Singapore has taught the world that even water that you can see in gutter can be refined and consumed.
Yes.
And consumed. That is how Singapore operates. So these data centers, we can add magic to their costing. In fact, the capital expenditure that they will do on the suggestion that we make to their consultants during the planning stage, that can be recovered in the first years of operation. And data center will have a life of many decades. So just imagine the benefit that a data center will have. Secondly, natural resources cannot be calculated in money only. Because you might have money, but if that resource is not available, what will you buy?
Correct.
So you really need to respect water as a resource and manage it like how you manage gold. So it is a very critical element which has to be managed and monitored well. For data center, we have got solutions which are insanely beneficial to them in terms of operating cost control, as far as it is related to water. And for data centers, their expenditure on water is more than their expenditure for power.
Wow.
So in such a situation, we become a blessing in disguise for them.
You are sitting on a gold mine.
Oh yes. So data centers is some place that we can. And the best part about all these systems is it can be built underground. So you don't lose ground area. The data center will be constructed on the ground, and below that we will have all our solutions operating in the basements. It will be operating there. So your land portion, which is the most expensive part of a project in real estate, is not consumed at all. We are below the foundation of the building, and operating effortlessly. And there are technologies which are maintenance free for a long time to come. They just need to be monitored and surveyed. That's all.
I think you're ticking all the boxes. Just a question of time when everyone bites or takes the bait. Thank you so much, Jennifer, for joining us.
Thank you.
The future is very bright.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Salil.
Thank you.